Hey y'all, happy Makeup Monday. As you can see, half of my face is done and half of it is not. So we're going to be working on this side of my face. So I wanted to come on and show y'all kind of how to play with this plummy mauve colors for fall. And as you can see, I have my I don't know, this is kind of like a red kind of plum. I've got like the purpley plum on my nails, and I've got the mauve. This lip gloss is called Mauve Moment. I mean, not Mauve Moment, I'm sorry, y'all. Unique Mauve. Unique Mauve, and I love a good plum and mauve mix. So, all right, so this is what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna show y'all this cream blush, and we're just gonna go ahead with that. So I've already got it on this side, so I'm gonna show y'all with this side. So you can either do little swipes, and I put a good bit on because I'm going to be blending a lot of it out. And I know you're probably thinking, whoa girl. So I take my little blush brush and I just blend it out. And that's what I do. Just like normal, and like little small circular motions back. And you want to stay at least 2 fingers away from the nose. And then, yeah. And it blends out, and it really blends out really, really well, especially for like a cream product, because a lot of times creams don't really blend out that well. So I really like this a lot. So, okay. So now I'm going to take, so this is the color side. This is also color, but it's a little shimmer. So I just take this side and just kind of go on the top of it a little bit with some shimmer. Y'all see that? It's got a little bit more shimmer, and then I just come through and kind of blend that as well. I do have some breakouts going on, and it's not cute, but you know what? Mary Kay makeup covers it, so we got this. So, all right. So now we've got the blush covered. So you've got your blush and your highlighter for your cheeks all in one. So it is like fabulous, just this one product that you need for that. We also have it in a lighter pink color if you don't want the darker mauve plummy color. I love a good mauve plummy blush right now. That is my jam. So, all right, now I'm going to show y'all it is okay to play with some color and dark on your eyes. So, anyway, so I'm going to take this color right here. This is a limited edition palette, and I'm just showing y'all this just so that y'all can see the colors. I cannot remember the names of these colors, so you'll just have to excuse me, and I will post them in the description below. And I just pat it on to give it that really, really good color. So, and I just pat, pat, pat until I get the color I want. And see like how it's kind of faded over here? So I may come back through with a little bit and just kind of pop some more in there and kind of make that pop a little bit more over there. So, you know, there's no rules on saying you have to get it all blended on the first try. You know what I mean? So, anyway, okay. So now I'm coming in with this like grayish, it's like a grayish plum mix. It's really pretty. So I'm taking my crease brush, and we're just going to do small little strokes. Small strokes like that. And then I just come over here, and then I kind of go down just right here a little bit, and then I bring it up. And I have pretty much like standard regular shape eyes, but if you have hooded eyes, you want to make sure to bring that color up on your hood so that you can see it. So, and it may not be this color or this color, whichever you choose. And you can put like the reddish plum color up here and do them opposite of what I'm doing. I'm just kind of doing it where it's not too much color, so I can still, you know, play with it a little bit different. And I do it both ways, you know. It's just kind of whatever. And then I take this color. This is Onyx. This is our black eyeshadow. I love black eyeshadow. People tell me all the time, they're like, I'm terrified to use black eyeshadow. And I'm like, girl, do not be scared of black eyeshadow, because you can use it as eyeliner. You can use it to just darken up a brown. And you just, I mean, you don't need to like take your brush and and like get like 50 tons of black eyeshadow on your brush. Just pat it on there, pat it on your eye. And the reason I tell you to pat it on like that is that where you can put the color where you want it. And then once you've got the color where you want it, now see, it looks similar, but this side's much more blended out than this side is. So all you're gonna do is just do small little back and forth motions like that. And then you're gonna do little tiny circular motions. And then you just kind of alternate between those two and see, like it just really blends out very, very well. So I know for some of y'all that's a little intense. So what I do, and even for myself, I come back through with the gray and I just kind of smudge that on the top of it. And then, yeah. So then I take this little let's say this is the eye smudger brush, this little tiny one, and I'm putting it in this light color right here. So, and I'm going to come sweep right here under my brow bone and just take all that and give that a little shimmer right there, and that'll blend that out a little bit. So, now see, these eyes do not match now. So now I'm going to bring this gray color kind of up a little more. And then that should blend it out. And then I'm going to take a little bit more of whatever's left on the brush that I used for the black and just kind of swoop it around right there, back and forth. And then I am going to come back through with that plummy color and just pat that on to make sure I've got that good little pop of color right there. And then you come back through with your smudger brush and just kind of make sure all that's really smudged and pretty. So sometimes it takes me a minute to get all that just exactly even. And it doesn't, I mean, y'all, your eyes do not have to be exactly even, because, like, you know, as long as they look like they in the same family, you know what I'm saying? Like, woo, like eyebrows, like my eyebrows are not even, y'all. Y'all can see that, like this one's got a little bit more up here, this one, you know, like I should probably actually, you know, brush that out a little bit more, but you know, my eyebrows are just, they don't like me. I'm gonna brush this one a little bit more right there so they look more related, you know. So my eyebrows just, they don't love me. That's the thing, they just don't love me, and it's okay. All right, so now I'm gonna come through with the pencil, our black eyeliner, the pencil, and I just do small little strokes. So I'm gonna be kind of looking over here because I got my little handy dandy handheld mirror right here. Or it's one that sits on the counter, but I use it as a handheld. I cannot talk very much while I am doing eyeliner. And you just want to take like small little strokes. Then, you remember the black eyeshadow? Okay, so we're going to take the little eye smudger brush, and, or not smudger, the end of the comb of the eyebrow and eyelash brush. And we're just going to take that and go back and forth with it. And you just take that black eyeshadow and just smudge it back and forth and just do it in little small strokes, just like I'm doing right now. And that smudges your eyeliner. And by putting the black eyeshadow on top of your eyeliner, it also sets it so it doesn't go anywhere. So since I'm kind of doing a little bit more of a darker glam look today, I am doing, I'm going to smudge it with black on the bottom too. I know normally I do a little bit of a lighter color, but today we're doing black eyeliner on the top and the bottom. So, now, I want to make sure I get it even with my other eye. Now, there we are. And then, let's see, oh yes. So then, you always want to make sure you put a little bit of powder on your face before you do all this, so that you can just take your brush and kind of swipe all the excess that's left on your face. And if you want to tone down your blush, you can always do like that with whatever's left on your powder brush and just tone it down a little bit. Okay, sorry that y'all get to look at the top of my head. I'm looking for my stuff. You know me, I'm never organized. So this, y'all, is my most favorite mascara in the world. Like, I know I love all our mascaras, but this one, like, this is our Lash Intensity Mascara, and I have been obsessed with this. It is like my favorite mascara ever. And the only one that comes close to, in my opinion, that I love as much is this limited edition Fanorama. Now, I use the Fanorama on the bottom lashes, but I'm going to use the Lash Intensity on my top lashes. So, I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to take the wand out. And then you see, like, it's got a short side, and then it's got a long side. So, you're going to comb it on with the short side, and then you're going to comb it out with the long side. So, I'm going to try to get up here. I'm going to move my little eyeshadow palette so I don't get eyeshadow all over me. And then I'm going to get kind of close to the camera so that you can see me. So I'm taking the short side and I'm combing it on just like that. And I take the long side and then I comb it out. And then another thing is you can take it and kind of do back and forth like that, and it makes sure to coat both sides of your lash. I cannot talk, y'all. I can't talk while doing mascara, so I'm sorry, y'all. Uh-oh. Got a little mascara on my chin. Okay, so, all right, so now we're doing short side, comb it on, and long side, comb it out. Yep, that's good. I really, really like this a lot. So, and then it gives you really long lashes. And it just, I mean, you know, it has those little built-in fibers, and it just really takes the lash and grabs it. So now I'm coming in with the Fanorama Lash Love, and I'm just doing it with the straight side, because you know it's got a straight side and a curvy side. I'm just doing the straight side. These bottom lashes, so you can see them. All right, y'all. So that is kind of like my fall, or one of many fall looks. I'm about to film a Tip Tuesday video for my hair. While my hair is pulled back and it's wet, so I'm going to show y'all a new thing that I've gotten, but I will let y'all look at that tomorrow. So, all right, y'all. Well, happy Makeup Monday. I hope that you learned something. I hope that, you know, that this was helpful. And I hope that, you know, if you have any questions at all for me, message me. I am on Facebook as Victoria Tolbert. I have Facebook pages. I have Senior Beauty Consultant Victoria Tolbert. I have our Senior Mary Kay Beauty Consultant Victoria Tolbert. I also have Hair and Makeup by Victoria. I'm on Instagram as victoriamissfabulous. I am on Instagram as well, Hair and Makeup by Victoria. So send me a message, ask me any questions. What would you like to see? Comment below and tell me, what would you like to see on the next video? So do you want to see more fall eyes? Do you want to see, like, you know, what's the difference between, you know, like cream colors and powder colors and liquid colors and stuff like that? So I can give you info on all that good stuff. And then if you just have any questions about what I use or what I, you know, have on my face or anything, just feel free. And then always, always, always finish up. I'm going to let my mascara dry a little bit more, but always finish up with a good setting spray. So your face is like hairspray for your face. You know, like if you spend all this time curling your hair and stuff, you know, you wouldn't just let it go. You'd spray some hairspray on it. So, you know, you want to spray that spray on your face. So anyway, but yeah, so comment below. Let me know what y'all think. I hope y'all have a fabulous Monday. Make it a great day. And thank you so, so much for watching. Bye. Happy Makeup Monday.